Hello, my name is Gisela Pidiach. Travel itinerary. Itinerary information. Place. La Mamona Campestre de los Llanos Orientales is located in the city of Yopal Casanare in the kilómetro 18 via Mate Pantano. In the place you will find very typical food of the region, a plain substance to speed with its family. Riding horse hand is made in the river. Duration of the trip. It lies 4 days in 3 nights, and night includes log breakfast, food, horseback riding, campfire evening with music. One tourist of the place where you can see an animal of the region, and in family enjoy the rich typical Disney that are prepared there. Means of transports. There is taxi include or exclusive vehicle of the company. Activities do riding horse, but in the river or pools, dance of Janeiro music, tasks of typical this says. Place to stay. Country hotel and hotels day you will find in the city. Typical foods. You can consume everything that the restaurants offers you such as plain made fish, chicken sancocho, lemon panela lemonade, beer, guarapo and natural wheats. The package has a value of 1,500,000 for 2 people. Welcome to Lives Mamona Campestre. Bye bye.